All right, we seem to be live. Hello, welcome to this video, and I will show you this video. I will work on Master Crimes, which is a mafia game. Well, let me just show you. So yeah, this video I will build a mafia game with you with React Native. We're building the game Master Crimes. It's a fictional world where you can create a character, a gangster, and you can compete with other players. Wow. You can play it on iPhone and on the computer. It works on both. And yeah, that's basically it. You can find it on mastercrimes.com. Here it is. This is what it looks like. You have a map with all kinds of buildings where you can do stuff. Like you can buy bullets in the bullet factory, for example. There are 54,000 bullets now. Let's buy some. Yeah, there's lots of stuff to do. There's territories you can take over and earn money from. There's people you can attack and kill. There's work you can do, clean up the trash. Okay, it's all text-based and images, but yeah, it's fun to work on, and also it can be fun to play. So I want to invite you to work together on this game with me. That's why I do this. So who am I? I'm Wijnand. I finished my bachelor's AI in Groningen in 2016. Since 2017, I've been working on many React Native projects, and this year I started a development agency. I really like traveling, hiking, and kite surfing, and yeah, that's what I do a lot. So, Master Crimes, where is it gonna be? So it works like this. There's a front end, an API, and a back end. The front end we use React Native, and on the back end we use Node.js. And in between there's a REST API, so we can talk to the back end with React Native. So yeah, if you want to see and you want to get started, I will make another video based on just this. But if you want to help develop the game, it's open source. You can find it here. You can find installation guide here on this URL. Let me also put it in the comments, by the way, in the description. Let me quickly do that. Let me do that. Edit, yeah. Okay. So yeah, if you don't know what React Native is, it's a cross-platform app development framework built by Facebook and open sourced by them in 2015. Well, in 2017 you also have Google that open sourced Flutter, which is also a good alternative, but here we are using React Native, and I think it's still the best solution for this kind of problem, building a cross-platform app, because you can also include the web, and web is very clunky in React Native, in Flutter, because it's still very young. And with React, there's already a lot of web experience, because we also have React Native. We have React, and we're React Native. That's why in React Native we have a lot of experience for the web. So it works on 3 platforms: Android, iOS, and web. Yeah, before React Native and Flutter, there was also PhoneGap, Xamarin, Ionic, and Native, of course. Native still is used a lot, but PhoneGap, Xamarin, and Ionic are used less and less, I think, because these are not the best solutions to this problem. I will dive deeper into this in another video. So let's go. I will also copy this So you can easily come along, and you can even say hi in the game or whatever you want. There we go. Okay. So yeah, in this video I will just work on the game. Oh my god, I hate when this happens. It copies the styling too. Um, One second. Okay. That's better. So I will also try to teach you something about React Native and how it works and how everything I do works. So a beginner could also watch this. But I see that there is one viewer now. So are you a beginner or are you professional React Native? Let me know. Let me know. Okay. So yeah, let's see. Let's start up the React Native. Let's start up Master Crimes. Let's see if there's any changes. I don't think so because I'm the person. Okay, there's some new branches by Dependabot. That's all. It's a bot that looks at the dependencies. There may be a few out of date a bit, but that's fine. No big deal. Let's start up the server. Let's split. Okay, we can update SSS. SSZSH. I will reinstall no modules because I didn't use this game on this computer yet. It's just copied from the old one, so I want to make sure that everything is installed correctly. Node modules are all the libraries that we use to develop this game. You can find them in package.json. So this is everything we use to develop this game. These are the dependencies. Not too many. We use ESLint and Babel in the dev dependencies and a lot of React Native stuff in the dependencies. And a lot of Expo stuff, but not too many actually. That's how you can see like also if there's old versions and stuff like that. So yeah, let's load up the client. You've waited long enough. I think I'm filming for how long? Can I see that? No, I can't see it here. I've been filming for 9 minutes. Okay. So yeah, just say hi in the game or wherever, or yeah, you can connect with me here. It's in the description. Would be nice to see. There's one other player online at the moment. There's not too many active players anymore, but I think if I will start streaming this stuff, then there will be soon. So tell all your programming buddies to like I want to help you. It's my mission, it's my goal to help you become a professional programmer. I want to help help as many people as possible to achieve that goal. Preferably like 100,000 people or so. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Okay. So I'm just deciding. I think I will start it up in an iOS simulator. So now it's loading the Metro bundler, and now it's going to open the simulator. And I'm curious if it will work. I don't think so because I didn't put in the right IP address yet. So this is the IP address I need to use. Now it should work. So it seems there's been an error, but I don't know what it means. So maybe it still works. And then the first thing I want to do is actually get rid of something that's high on my list. Get rid of the gangster man that appears sometimes. We'll show you. We go to a building or something. There's like an introduction where this guy comes, and it's not very nicely done on the web. For example, it appears on top of the menu and like not at the right place, and also the text is not in the box, stuff like that, and you cannot click here anymore, and because the gangster is there, you cannot swipe here anymore. You should be able to. So I'm gonna get rid of this guy. I don't really like him, and yeah. So that's get rid of the gangster man. That's one thing. Another thing we can do that's also nice to have is update Expo to version 42. So let me just tell you a little bit about Expo. Expo is a framework built on top of React Native that makes it possible to really quickly develop an app, because it takes out of your hands a lot of things that you normally would have to think about, like native code, over-the-air updates, push notifications. Like, it makes it a lot easier. So I really recommend working with that if you ever start building React Native. They just came out with version 42, and I want to install that because now we're currently still on version, I don't know, what version are we on? Okay, we are on version 38, and this copy of Expo Go requires at least 39, so we're already on the too old version. So let's upgrade immediately. Okay, so actually, I don't know when, but we did some changes. The fun thing is when you're working alone on a project, you can do anything commit-wise. So we did some changes, and that's it. It's not very professional, but yeah, if there will be more people that want to join me in working on this project, and learn together about React Native, then I will be glad, and I will be more professional, of course. We will also work in branches, Git branches. That's what you normally do if you work with more people in a project, but now we just work on the branch master, the main branch. So let's upgrade. I was in the wrong folder. So I want to upgrade from 38 to 42. It's probably gonna be a headache, this, but was it? Maybe not. So now it's installing. Wow, that's fast. So there's probably going to be a lot of packages that they don't know how to update, which makes it a bit harder. So let me check this. The following packages were not updated. That's a lot of packages. So we still we should update them. Want a new one. Oh, here. Okay. We should update them later. I will take a look at that later, but for now, we should look at the breaking changes for all the new SDKs that we installed. But for now, let's reload the experience and see if we can work already and see the game in the simulator. So again, what we will do, get rid of the gangster man and update Expo to version 42. And I will also show you the general outline of the project. So that you understand a little bit how this is working. As you can see here, this is how you install Expo and get started working. There's some more instructions that you need before you can actually start, because you need a MySQL database, or you need an M file to access that, and yeah, some more stuff maybe. But yeah, here's the repo. It's open source, so you can clone it if you want. I don't know the level of you guys, but if you are a high-level programmer and you understand what I'm saying, that's awesome. But if you are like a beginner, just let me know, so I can help you more with any questions you have. I can get on your level. So here you can play the game, and these are the docs for Expo. So if you want to work on it. There was a problem. Could not connect to the server. Okay. I'm gonna try that again. Let's Google that. I don't think this is useful. Okay. We need to clear the local state. That makes a lot of sense because we never run this on this computer before. Oh no. I quit the editor, and now I have to place everything in the right place again. But that was quite fast. Yeah. Let's start up the server again. So the server uses Express, which makes it easy. I will show you later how that works. Let's see if it works. Maybe the error is gone. Probably not. Well, maybe it is. Maybe it's gone. What I wanted to do is quit this one. So it would probably be faster to not quit the simulator altogether, but just quit the app in the simulator. I think, yeah, that's faster. Okay, we still get the error. Or set content and settings in my simulator. That may help. But it actually seems to be building. So we're just following what they say here. Okay, well, if this doesn't work, we're just gonna continue without solving the bug because I saw that the game was starting up. So it would be nice to just get a start now. So there's nobody watching at the moment. I hope that people will actually start watching when it's more interesting, because now it's also a bit boring because, yeah, I'm still setting up everything and I'm getting errors. So I'm sorry about that. But that happens when you didn't work for half a year on a project. And I still want to show you my whole process. That's what I think it's important, because you have to know, if you want to be a programmer, what it looks like and how it normally is. Like all those videos, you learn how to program. they prepared it so well that, you know, just doesn't give the right perspective of what a programmer job looks like, because you don't know everything. You have to Google things. You have to fix bugs. Like, that's part of the process. So that's why I want to show you everything. Okay, the iPhone is set up. Let's try again. Yes, open. You should not get the bug anymore. It would be nice if we don't see the error anymore. Okay. Expo linking could not be found within the project. Okay, that's actually something that I have to fix. It's rather easy. I don't know why this bug appeared now, but there's always some differences if you have a new Expo version. And now it seems to work. So this is the Expo menu. We are on SDK 42 now, which is awesome. And as you can see, even here, the gangster doesn't really know where it's at. Like, he doesn't know that he's on top here. So that's not good. We have to fix that. Or, yeah, like, I actually like the gangster on mobile a lot more, but I'll have to play it a bit before I can decide that we can actually remove it. But let's remove it for sure on the web. So yeah, that's okay. So this is the intro. What's your name? I can log in with my phone number. I'll do that. Then I'll get a text. My verification code is 448. Like that. And then this guy will teach me how everything works. But it's hard to read. So now it asks me again, after I logged in, what's my name? That's really not good. So then it wants me to travel to another city. That's fine, but also not really what I want. So the intro just doesn't work well. Let's keep it at that. So there's a couple menus here. So there's the buildings. Here you can see all the buildings. And it doesn't work really smooth on the simulator, but on your own phone it works really well. You can install it on iOS. On Android it currently isn't in the stores, but I will get to that. And yeah, the gangster always pops up whenever there's a new building that you didn't see yet. So I think the script is guy. So that this is the layout folder, and it contains everything from the layout. So for example, the map. And I think the map also contains guy. No. So the guy is intro or info. And intro or info is in the overlay. And the overlay is on the map. I think. Yeah. So there's lots of props here. This can be also improved, but yeah, it also had to work fast. So that's why we needed to pass some props and make it use some use callbacks, use some hooks to make it fast. Use memo, for example. But anyway, in the overlay, there's intro or info. And if I remove this, the guy will never be visible, basically. Nowhere. So to just test him not being visible, I just want to do this. So this is a very it's a way to make this not be rendered anymore. So there will be, because this returns false, and then if this is false, the whole statement cannot be true. So JavaScript will not render, will not even try this, because it knows it will already be false. Because false and anything is always false. So it will not try to do the second part. So that's why we use this in JavaScript to render stuff or not render it. So I'll just do this for now, just to check what it looks like. And I get an error. Let me check. No, it still works. I don't understand why I got the error. But yeah, it doesn't matter. So actually, we got like 7 menus here, but I think this one is just for the admin to move buildings around. Yeah. So yeah, we removed the guy. We can also check now how it looks if we reset the app data, we become a new player, and what does the new player see then? Reset app data. Are you sure? Yes. This is just for the admin. So obviously it's giving me some errors again, but I just refresh and then it will probably load without error. And what it does now is I become dork 8483 and I start living in Amsterdam. And I can instantly instantly play without any introduction. And if I want to change my name, I have to verify my account. And actually, to change my name, I have to go to here. All right, so that works. So my name is now Wijnand123. That's awesome. So that works. So now I just wanna, because this has been long requested, I just wanted to, well, first try the game a little bit and then deploy it. But this is not really interesting for you guys. So I think I will do this in another video. I hope you don't mind. So yeah, please read the description for more information about what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to achieve. So if you want, you can, sorry. Hey, so if you want, you can join the club. We have a Slack channel. We have an app that I'm building that's not ready yet, but it will be soon. And please follow and add me on social media if you want to connect. If you want to talk to me, you can even WhatsApp me if you want. And yeah, look in the description for more information. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something, I'm very happy. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.